So let us study in detail how do phages reproduce by latic mode of reproduction. How do phages reproduce by latic method? What happens? First of all, I have taught you tail fibers. So first of all, phages, they attach itself to the bacteria. Attach itself to the outer wall of bacteria with the help of tail fibers. And then tail fibers, they undergo contraction, and now tip of the tail comes in direct contact with the outer wall of bacteria. Then this tip releases an enzyme called lysozyme. This lysozyme causes hole in the outer bacterial wall, and through this hole this phage introduces its DNA into the bacteria, means into the host. So when DNA of the virus, DNA of the phages, when it enters into the body of the host, then it produces its own mRNA. This process of formation of RNA from the DNA is called transcription. So you can either write formation of mRNA from DNA inside the body of the host, means inside the body of bacteria, or you can write the DNA of the phage or the DNA of the virus transcribes its own mRNA. And what is the function of the mRNA? The function of mRNA is to form some proteins. Now what do these proteins do? These proteins are what? These proteins, they related to virus. Who has produced these proteins? Phages, but inside the bacteria. Now these proteins, what do? They destroy the DNA of the host. They destroy the DNA of the host, or you can say they take the control of the DNA of the host, and with the help of the host DNA or with the help of the bacterial DNA, it forms its own viral DNA. Now number of viruses are formed inside the bacteria. Then these viruses again release an enzyme, and with the help of this again release an enzyme, lysozyme, and with the help of this lysozyme enzyme, bacterial wall ruptures, bacterial wall breaks, and all the viruses are liberated. All the viruses are released into outer environment. So this is all about detailed explanation we have studied about latic type of reproduction. What happens? Repeating. First of all, viruses, they attach itself to the outer bacterial wall with the help of tail fiber. Then with the tail fiber undergo contraction. Then tip of the tail, which comes in direct contact with the bacterial wall, releases an enzyme lysozyme. This lysozyme causes hole in the bacterial wall, and through this hole phages, they introduce their own DNA into the bacteria. Now when the viral DNA enters into the host, into the bacteria, it produces its own mRNA, and mRNA, it has to produce proteins. Which proteins? Viral proteins, proteins related to virus, and these viral proteins take control of the host DNA and form again viral DNA. So number of viral DNAs and its outer protein coats, all the components are formed. Components unite to form number of phages. Now phages, they again release enzyme lysozyme. This lysozyme causes breakage in the outer bacterial wall, and through this hole all the phages, all the viruses are liberated out. So this is latic type of reproduction.